Ever feel like your ideas get lost in a sea of thoughts? Meet Mindrift.ea, your new creative companion that turns your mind's drift into actionable insights. Whether you are brainstorming, organizing, or seeking inspiration, Mindrift.ea is here to help you navigate the currents of your creativity. Let's drift and discover together. So, hi guys, and welcome. This video will show you step by step how you can earn money using Mindrift.ea. So, first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into Mindrift.ea. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have here various information, but first, what is Mindrift? Mindrift is a community of experts dedicated to generating high-quality data for improving AI, composed of AI tutors, freelance experts, writers, and editors committed to innovation and excellence. We leverage collective knowledge and skills to pioneer the next generation of generative AI models. Then let's know other information like we have here. Join the Elite Improving EA, get paid to write, edit, or annotate content for EA on the platform built for humans with complete time and location flexibility. And then we have here AA tutors. You can select the one you want, writer, editor, or domain experts. Also, we have here annotators, and we have various information here also. And we have Boras, we have also resources here, block, we have also fake here. You can just click over the question you want and you get your answer to and know more information about Mindrift and payment also, skill requirement also. So let's come back to the home page. So if we scroll down, we have here other things like the benefits of Mindrift. First, we have flexibility. The flexible working approach is a game changer and fit in perfectly with my car. And we have also great community. I like the community, especially the leads and editors I work with. They are already really kind and helpful. And the last one, we have get paid frequently. To be honest, the pay rate is high in comparison to other platforms. And if we scroll down, also we have other information like here about Mindrift. So we have here the definition of Mindrift and other information about it. Also, we have getting started. We have some questions with answers to more understand. We have also a qualification. Also, we have some questions, and furthermore, we have payment here and hours. So here we have learn more and apply to join. So if you are a writer, all you have to do is apply now, become an EA tutor, get ahead, start in the job market of tomorrow. So first you write your name, your first name actually, then the last name, then email, phone number, country, then LinkedIn profile, personal website, then you click over here if you are agree in those things. So and finally you submit the application. So to earn money as a writer using Mindrift.ea, you can leverage the platform's features to enhance your writing process, generate ideas, and streamline content creation. Here are some specific ways you can monetize your writing skills. So the first one we have content creation and freelance writing, like we have article and blog posts, ghost writing, and the second one we have self-publishing like ebooks, courses, and guides. We have also the third one is copywriting and marketing like content and ad copy and sales pages. And also we have content marketing. The fourth one is creative writing like fiction and poetry and script writing. Then the fifth one, we have affiliate marketing and sponsored content like affiliate reviews and sponsored content. And the last one is editing and proofreading, like areas for improvement. So this is it, how you can earn money as a writer in Mindrift. Then we have here editors. So if you are an editor, all you have to do is click over here and apply now. You write your first name, last name, email address, phone number, country, LinkedIn profile, personal website, and you click over here if you are agree in those things. The first one is I agree that you can keep my data for an extended time period so that it will be easier for you to contact me about job opportunities. Then the second one we have, I confirm that I have read and understood the Mindrift privacy notice, and I give Mindrift my consent to the processing of my personal data for the purpose of invitation users to apply. So you just have to click here and here, then you submit application. So as an editor, you can use Mindrift.ai to enhance your editing services and streamline your workflow. Here are several ways to earn money as an editor using Mindrift.ai. So the first one, we have freelance editing service like copyright editing, developmental editing, and the second one we have content review and feedback like manuscript review, and the third one we have editorial consulting like author coaching and content strategy consulting. Then the fourth one is content curation and management, like curating anthologies, managing editorial projects. The fifth one we have educational services like editing guides and ebooks, and the last one is affiliate marketing and partnership like promoting tools and services. So that's it with editor, and this is how it works. And right now let's apply now with domain expert. Apply as a domain expert, earn money to advance AI writing in your area of expertise. Enjoy a flexible schedule with no AI experience needed. So you write your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number, and your country, and LinkedIn profile, personal website. Then you click over those things if you are ready. So then you submit the application. So as a domain expert, you have specialized knowledge and a particular field, and there are many ways to monetize this expertise. Here are some strategies to earn money as a domain expert. The first one and the first strategy, I mean, consulting and advisory services like consulting, and then we have content creation and publishing like writing articles and books. Also, we have online courses and workshops. The third one is speaking engagements and webinars like public speaking, webinars, and online events. Then the fourth one we have expert witness and legal like consulting, expert witness, and the fifth one we have coaching and mentoring like one-on-one coaching, group coaching, and mastermind also. Then the sixth one we have developing and selling specialized products like proprietary tools and resources specialists and membership sites and subscriptions. Then we have the seventh one is affiliate marketing and sponsorship like product reviews and endorsements. And the last one we have academic and research opportunities like teaching and academic, and also grants and funded. So with Mindrift.ai you can unlock new income streams and maximize your earning potential by transforming innovative ideas into tangible results. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.